हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू गेट्स माय एजुकेशन। दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल पर आपसे स्वागत है। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, हाउ टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई वांट टू से दैट you should keep practicing in English every day, and you should read an article of English in newspaper, a paragraph of English book of any lesson aloud. If you read aloud of any article, any story, or any paragraph of the story, anything that's related with it, then you will be able day by day to speak English fluently. And second thing is most important, you should keep writing something about you, what you do at that day, what you did yesterday. Write it now. That is a good habit to write about yourself, and that give you a chance to improve yourself now. And the word you know, start using this, start speaking this, start saying this, start talking someone who knows English something, a little. You can start speaking with him, and you can talk your friends who knows English some. And you have to dare to speak English. You have a courage to speak English at that moment. If you don't have courage, I can't speak it, I can't make it, I can't do it, so really you can't do it. So you have a dare to speak English. I can speak English. And every day note down at least 5 words that you don't know, and make the meaning clear, and make the sentence by using these words, and start speaking English by using this word. And in this way you can speak English. If you are only one person who can speak English, if you are only one person who can show your performance, talent, skill in English, nobody learns English only one day. It is the long process to speak English fluently. But trust me, you will be able to speak English one day. You will have to trust yourself that I will learn speaking English. And that is a reason to speak English. And you should have aim to speak English. Whether it is short or long, it doesn't matter, but you can speak English if you have aim. But either you want to learn English without aim, aimlessly, you can't speak English. Forget it now. I can speak English. You are not able to speak English. When you have decided I will speak English one day. I can do it, I can make it, I can speak English, I can talk English with someone. Then you will be able to speak English. And you should keep practicing every day. You should write English. What happens with you at that day, start writing, and that will make you happy, that will make you leading towards success, and that will make your journey easy of speaking English, of learning English. So don't worry, one day you will speak English, trust me. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.